Hello everyone, live from Fort Mitchell, Kentucky. Let me see if I can, gotta turn this a little bit. There we go. My family's in here, Megan and Randy, and they're watching TV. They just turned the TV off. I guess they don't want to disturb us. Anyway, we're here visiting my daughter Megan, and it's awesome. We just got back from dinner, and I was just going to show you some things that I'm working on. Yes, I brought stuff with me to Kentucky, so I can't let any grass grow under my feet. Hello, Sue. Did you make it to your daughter's? I hope so. I hope you made it safely. So tonight I'm going to show you how I get ready for my Cards for Christ class. I prep these kits, I put them all together so that when we get to the class, the people, all they have to do is look at the card and put the card together as they see it. Haven't left yet. Oh no, you're going to have a long night, honey. So I wanted to remind you again about the starter kit special. For $155, no. For $99, you get to pick $155 worth of product out, and you get free shipping and a free paper pumpkin. But then on all your future purchases, you get your discount as well. So you won't want to miss that if that's something you're interested in. Hello, Robin. Good to see you. So, it was a very beautiful day here in Kentucky, and the colors are just gorgeous, and we had some fun today. Tomorrow, I don't know what we're doing tomorrow, but we'll see. But for tonight, I want to show you how I prep a class for my Cards for Christ and show you a couple of the cards that we're doing. From Pennsylvania. Are you in Pennsylvania? Oh my goodness. What are you doing there? Getting ready to leave for Arkansas, or did you go to Pennsylvania to get to Arkansas? That seems kind of out of the way. Maybe not. I don't know. All right. I'm going to try to point you to my work surface. I don't have my laptop, so I won't be able to see comments when you're looking at my work surface. So just bear with me. I will look at the comments afterwards and answer any questions that you have tonight on our way. Oh, fun. You be safe on those roads. Okay, so I'm going to actually, you're on a tripod, my phone is, so I'm going to telescope it up and then point it to my work surface. So look away for a second and get this going. It's out of the way. So let me see here. I'm not in the picture. Let me move this forward. I might have to, hang on, sorry. Okay, is that good? I think that's good. All right. So I did some cutting already. So I'm making up 17 packets. So each packet will have one card each of each design, and I'm going to make 4 designs. I have one done at home. I just finished one here, and then I'm starting a 3rd one, and I already have the 4th one in mind as well. But I thought I'd show you how I do this. So I first cut the card bases for a card. So there's 17 card bases here, and I do score them for the people. They do like that, so I do that for them. And then this piece is going to lay over the card like so. And then this piece is going to be the decorative piece. And that will go on like that. So let me set the card base aside, this green piece aside, and this piece. So this very vanilla piece is 4 3/4 by 3 1/2. Yep, by 3 1/2. That's what this size is. And I'm going to take my black Magenta ink, and I'm using the Hello Harvest stamp set. And in particular, I'm using the pumpkin, I'm using this leaf, and I'm using this flower. And then I'm going to use a sentiment from the go-to greetings. Okay. So I'm going to take the pumpkin first and ink it up with the black. Set those aside. And if I had enough clear blocks and enough ink pads and enough stamp sets, I could let them do it themselves, do the stamping themselves, but I don't have enough of all that. So I do all the stamping first for them, and then they just put it together. This around here. Now Randy's whispering. You guys can talk if you want. You don't mind, do you? on the video. Then I want to take the leaf that's in there, and I'm going to use Old Olive ink, and I'm going to ink it up, put it right there. Oh, I do like that. I used the Mossy Meadow on my sample one, and it was kind of dark. I like it, but I think it might be too dark. So I switched to Old Olive and think that's going to be better. I'm going to put a leaf up here. And then I'm going to close it up. That's all I'm doing with the Old Olive. Then I want to clean the stamp. I didn't bring a lot of blocks with me, so I have to use that for another stamp. So I'm cleaning them as I go. Also with the black, I think I want to use the flower, and then I'll color it in with my blends. I stamped the flowers earlier with just the ink, and I don't know that I cared for it. And then I'm going to use the light pumpkin pie blend, the brush end, and I'm just going to color this pumpkin. And yes, I will color all 17 of these pieces when I get done stamping them, for the same reasons. I don't have enough blends for everyone to use. So it's just easier for me to just do it. Plus, I love to color. Those of you who follow me know that I love to color. And again, if you're commenting, I can't see my comments tonight because I don't have my laptop with me. That's Cajun Crepe. This here's pumpkin pie. Then I'm going to do the dark pumpkin pie, and I'm just going to go over the lines that Stampin' Up! Has already provided. It's kind of a foolproof way to color. You take the guesswork out of it for you. So is everyone having a good day? It's toward the end of the week. And then I'm going to go back over it with the light, and I'm going to color it in again, blend it all in. These are alcohol markers, so that's what makes it blend together. And then I want to do the light Cajun Craze. This is going to be kind of crazy, but bear with me. I actually want to do... I'm using the Dark Daffodil Delight, and yes, it's a yellow pumpkin, but when you get done with it, it's gonna look a little orange, a little squash color. And this is darker than the, well, usually so saffron's darker than the Daffodil Delight, but this is the Dark Daffodil Delight. Okay. Then I'm taking the light Cajun Craze, and again, just going over those lines. Give it some dimension. So if you like what you're seeing and you want to get your friends to follow, you can share the video, you can like it, give me some hearts, that would be great. Then I'm going back over the light. No, the light. The dark daffodil delight. Okay, so you saw that I just picked up the light pumpkin pie and went over it right there. It just gives it more depth and more color, and it all blends together. Then I'm going to use the dark crumb cake for the top of the pumpkin. Then I'm going to use the dark daffodil delight for these flowers. Oh yes, I like this much better than what I stamped earlier in my sample, my test run. And whenever you use blends, you always want to use the black Memento ink because it doesn't run, it doesn't bleed. If you use StazOn, that will bleed. However, if you're going to color with markers, the Stampin' Write markers that are not an alcohol base, you can use the StazOn black ink. So that's the difference between the two. Blends use the Memento ink, the markers use the StazOn. Who else likes to color? I know my daughter Megan does. Okay, so that's it, but we need our sentiment on there. And this is probably going to blow your mind, but I'm going to use Night of Navy for the sentiment. First time I saw this, I went, are you kidding me? But nope, they did it. I'm going to put it right there. Pretty, huh? Alright. Then I'm just going to take my Stampin' Seal, and I'm going to put it on the back of this piece. I'm going to mat it on the green piece. And this designer series paper is the gingham, cottage gingham, that comes with all the different colors and the different size gingham patterns. As you can tell, I've been using it a lot, and I absolutely love it. See, so there's the small check on that side, but then there's the large check on that side, and then the lines are a bit more defined. And the green piece is 5 1/4 inches by 4, I believe. Yes, by 4. 5 1/4 by 4 is the designer series piece. So then I want to fold my card base in half. I'm going to use my bone folder to get a nice crease. I'm going to put adhesive on the back of this green piece. And then again, I'm going to put it on here. And that's the card. So that should be pretty simple for them. All they have to do is glue these two pieces onto the card base and they'll be done. And then what we do in our meeting, in our little get together, we do address the cards to people. This month we're focusing on our service people in our church, so our pastors, because it's Pastors Appreciation Month, and our secretaries, janitorial, the tech people, all those people that make that church run. But I think it needs something on the inside. So let me see what we have here. We've got these little swirly things. Maybe we could make put a little swirly in the corners. I'm going to clean that flour. And then I'm going to get this one. And I think I'm going to put it in green. Old olive. And I'm going to put it in this corner. This corner. This corner. It just adds a little bit to it, makes it a little nicer. So very simple card, but yet very pretty. So again, I've made 17 of these, so I'll make up 17 kits for them. Each one will have 4 cards in it. Let me show you another card that I did. So we're going to do this one. So grateful, and this one had thank you. So we're appreciating them, so that's why they're the grateful and thank you sentiments. And then that one's just got the little, I don't know what those are called. We used to call them helicopters when we were younger. So that, and then the 4th card is at home. So actually the first card's at home, and the 4th one I'm still designing. So let me point you back to me. There we go. Hello Jenny. How are you? So I haven't seen the comments, so I don't know what you said I do. Are you marrying? Are you saying yes to someone? Just teasing. So that's all I have tonight. Make sure you check out that starter kit. It's a great deal, and it's great to get your hobby going, or a small business, make some extra money, or just support your habit. I hope you guys all have a great weekend. Stay warm, stay dry. We'll be heading back to Michigan on Saturday. And yeah, so you guys have a good night. So you be safe on the roads. And we'll see everyone later. Love you guys. Bye-bye.